ready for this. Hey, what's up? What's poppin'? How you doing? Should we set the mood up? Is that better or not? Let me go see. Yeah, no, it's too dark. You guys, we're about to unbox the 2021 MacBook Pro 14-inch. I can't believe I have these right now in front of us because I have been wanting to kind of switch up my desktop to a laptop. I don't know why. I feel like working wise, I can work a lot more with a laptop instead of me having a setup place where I have to go edit my videos. I just cannot bring the desktop anywhere I want to go. I was looking right there because my desktop is right there. So this is what I have right now. It is the iMac 27-inch and I bought it in 2017. Like I said, there's really nothing wrong with that desktop. It's so smooth. I love it. I'm so blessed because you guys, guess what? My boyfriend actually bought this for me for Christmas. I think he bought this for me because he knows how I've been wanting a laptop, and every time I wanted to work on a video, I'm not able to if we're out. Yeah, I feel like that was very thoughtful of him. I am just so speechless. But yes, babe, if you're watching this, I love you. Thank you so much. Alrighty guys, I cannot wait to open this. But before that though, if you guys are new here in my channel, hi, my name is Mikey and I post videos every single week. So make sure to hit that subscribe button. Subscribe button, you already know where it is. Come subscribe, it's free 99. Alright, before we open this, I thought I'll tell you guys exactly what we got right here. Like I said, what we got is the 2021 MacBook Pro in 14-inch. I feel like it's such a great size. They have silver and space gray, and you guys already know I love my space gray. We have 16GB unified memory and a 512GB memory. And lastly, this baby right here has a retail price of $2,000. Alrighty guys, for some reason Apple products just give me so much satisfaction every time we do ASMR, so say no more. Let's go. ASMR. Wow, first impression, I thought she was thick and heavy, but look at her. Oh, this is so beautiful. But yeah, I kind of understand why this is so heavy. Yeah, they pretty much put the ports back, that's why. Alrighty, as you guys saw, what's inside the box? We have the actual computer, the cable, which this cable is so nice if you feel it in person. It's not your norms cable, you know? And lastly, our box charger. This is actually pretty small and compact. I like that. Let's put her in. And you guys know I love me some Apple sticker. And this time, it's not your regular white Apple sticker. We do have black. Dun 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 dun. This is so cool. This is actually very boxy. It kind of reminds me of the old MacBook. Do you guys see what I'm seeing? But this one has some rounded edges right here. But I love the feels of this, you know? Okay, so is it just me, but you guys like how there's a stamp of MacBook Pro at the bottom of this laptop? That's nice. Alrighty, let's take a closer look of these ports because that's actually what I'm really excited about. I hate that you have to buy a port a year ago if you buy a MacBook. That's just so dumb in my opinion. There's one for the power MagSafe charger. It looks like there's two USB-C charger. And lastly, there's a headphone jack. And on the right side, we do have the SD card holder, another USB-C, and lastly, an HDMI port. Alrighty, let's set her up. Whoa! All right, I hope you guys can see. Let's set her up. Right, we have English. Select your country, United States. All right, accessibility.
Accessibility features adapt your map to your individual needs. You can turn them on now to help you finish setting up.
I will say not now. All right, I just entered my Wi-Fi password, and this keyboard right here is such a nice touch and feel. Definitely way better than the old ones, so we like that. Connect an AC power. Your Mac is running on low battery. Yeah, let me go plug into a charger. Ooh. Alrighty, so it bring up to an Apple ID setup. Alright, there's terms and condition. Agree. Right, now we have to create a computer account. Ooh, for my account, I can actually put a picture. Let's actually try the camera on this. Ooh. 1, 2, 3. Cheese. There you go. Ooh, I want to do Siri. All right, let's continue.
Hi, I'm Siri.
Hi, I'm Siri.
Hi, I'm Siri.
Hi, I'm Siri.
Let's go with the voice for it's your classic Siri.
Hey Siri, send me a message.
Hey Siri, how's the weather today?
Hey Siri, what does the rest of my day look like?
All right, my Hey Siri is ready. Continue. All right, what I love about this is even though there's no touch bar, we still have Touch ID. So what do I like? Do I like the dark? Let's do the auto since I cannot decide right now. Ooh, and she's all set up. Okay, all I can say is that this computer is so beautiful, and yeah, I just want to play with it right now, so I'm gonna close the video right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a like if you like it, and also subscribe if you haven't. I haven't played with the actual program, but the keyboard, the touch bar, the camera, the size, the pads, and of course I'm not gonna forget about the ports. It's all upgraded. Those are just the outer appearance. I just can't wait to play with it, how smooth it is gonna be. So yes, I'm gonna close this video, but before that though, today's shout out goes to you. Thank you so much for commenting, and yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.
Rolling, 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 rolling. How many more shots until you're